Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed the introduction to BIM and Revit. In today's video, I will explain the Revit interface. We will see what Revit is, how to open Revit, how to open a project, how the interface looks. I will also explain the different toolbars and panels available in the Revit window. Let's get started. First, we need to open Revit. After opening the Revit, the start screen will look like this. On the left side, you can see options to open models and families. If you open if you want to open an existing project, click on open and select your file. If you want to create a new project, click on new things. Below that, we have the family section. Families are very important in Revit as they are the main components of a project. If you want to open an existing family, click open, or if you want to create a new family, just click new. So this family section we will discuss, or I will explain in upcoming classes. Okay, now I'll create a new project. Just click on new and you will see different templates here. Templates are based on the type of project. For example, architectural, structure, or mechanical. Since I am from a mechanical background, so I will select the mechanical template. So here there are two options, one project, another one project templates. This project templates I will explain later. Okay, so for now I'm going to select project, then click OK. Now this is the main Revit interface window. Left side we have the properties panel, which show the parameters of selected elements. On the other side we have the project browser, which shows all views, sheets, and project structures. Above you can see different toolbars, menu bars. In each toolbar I will explain in detail in upcoming videos. I will explain one by one. Thank you for watching. Please Subscribe to my channel for more Revit tutorials.